Are you speaking English right now?
Yeah, I am. I was just saying how much I love Chinese people.
Why does that feel sarcastic?
Because it is. Can't stop. Why are you wearing NASA shirt, bro?
Bro, because, dude, I went to the moon,
The Earth is flat.
Sure it is, bro.
Why
You
do you
memeing?
Why do you believe in the heliocentric model?
Are you an actual flat earther?
Wait, can you even debate it?
Yeah, of course. Who can't debate it? Do you actually wait?
Sure.
Real talk.
Okay.
Are you trolling? Are you
No,
trolling?
I'm not. No, I'm not trolling. Can I ask you a question?
Yeah, hit me with it.
If it's 8 inches per mile square for curvature calculations, at what altitude would you see curve? When do you guys see it?
Wait. What does that even fucking mean?
When
You're
would you see a
me,
curved Earth?
When would you see a curved Earth?
Yeah, at what
Wait,
altitude?
Hold on a sec. Real talk though. So you don't believe in like the photos from the moon in the '60s?
Mars rover and the moon and all that shit.
The Mars.
You
don't believe we went to You don't believe we went to Mars or the moon?
Why don't you?
Hold on a sec. Do you believe in the sun?
Wait. Of course it is.
Do you believe in the sun?
Yeah. But why don't you Google?
Why do you believe in the sun?
Google.
If it's a flat Earth.
What? Why can't you have a sun on a flat Earth? That makes no sense.
But wait, on a flat Earth model, right? They just like circulate like this, right?
Like a yin and yang, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So why will be the purpose of the sun on that model, right? You believe we believe like real talk. You believe we live in like a fucking
do you have
snow globe?
Yes, exactly, a snow globe.
The whole universe is a snow globe.
I mean, Google universe. It's all CGI.
So what are
photos.
the stars? So what are the stars?
Wait. Why don't you go on Google and search up?
What are the stars? Just tell me what the stars are.
Hold on, I'll tell you.
What the stars are. What we like look up there? What are they?
Are they burning balls of gas in an electromagnetic universe? No, they're not.
Wait. So you believe that?
No, they wouldn't be burnt. How can gas burn in a vacuum, you idiot?
Why are they small? Hold on a sec. Do you not believe the sun is a gas ball?
Wait. Why would you say stars are smaller than the sun? They're further up.
So how big is a snow globe in your eyes?
Snow globe would be 190,000 feet in altitude. Is the peak?
That's it.
Yeah. Actually, it is.
You're telling me. So how small do you think the sun is? Do you believe the sun is smaller than the Earth?
Absolutely smaller. Are you crazy?
So what's the Earth?
Like, hold on. Can I ask you something? How can the sun perfectly eclipse with the moon if it's not the size of the moon?
Wait, hold on a sec. You brought up the eclipse and you're a flat earther? Shouldn't you not believe in eclipses?
What? An eclipse proves the local sun is as small as the moon.
No, it proves the fact that. Wait, what?
Wait. Can I ask you? How far is the sun in your model?
Keep going.
How far?
Keep explaining that.
Let me expose you.
Explain that.
Let me expose you. I will.
Like this,
let me expose you.
I
know your model. I know your model better than you.
Okay, expose me.
And we learned this in grade 4, so you should know this.
Grade 4, they're really talking about the flat Earth. For sure, my homie.
No. We learned heliocentrism in grade 4. How far away is the sun in your model?
I actually don't know the measurement, so I guess you win, right? Because I don't know the exact.
Isn't it
number.
93 million miles away?
So in your eyes, it's obviously way closer, right? The sun's tiny compared to the
So it's 93 million miles away, and this.
You've won. I don't know the.
How far is the moon? How far is the moon?
Hear me out.
Wait. How far is the moon?
I haven't looked up exactly the distance since fucking 4th grade. You're telling me you've won this shit? Come on.
Why don't you? All right,
why do you
Google.
believe in the flat Earth?
All right,
you have to convince me.
It's so simple.
Why?
Open Google and search up planets from space.
Hold on a second.
Open Google. I want to see your reaction.
Planets from space. So you're telling me if there's CGI photos, it's
no.
fake?
I want you to find me a real photo without looking.
So you're telling me
No.
Because there's CGI photos of planets.
Oh,
if I look at fucking Uranus, if I look up Uranus on fucking Google Images right now, and it's not,
you just admit there's CGI.
Who gives a fuck if there's CGI?
Oh,
you're telling me they don't exist? Hold on a second.
So find me a real photo.
Hear me out. Conspiracy theories, right? What is the point? What is the point of the Earth being a fucking globe that's going to stop us from being in a fucking snow globe?
It's an attack.
Why is it a snow globe?
It's an attack on Genesis, just like how you believe in dinosaurs. Oh, dinosaurs!
You don't believe in dinosaurs? Is there any conspiracy you don't believe? Is there one?
Wait, are you the guy who debates scholars or me?
You debate. Who have you debated?
Do you read books? Do you read?
No. Hear me out.
Hold on. What books have you read?
Hear one scholar you debated on
Adam Green.
Who the fuck is Adam Green? Tell me.
All right. Check this out. What books have you read?
You might be the greatest flat earther on planet Earth.
I'm known for being.
Is it still a planet?
No, it would be a plane. It's a motionless. Like Einstein said, the Earth is an observable, motionless plane. Like, dude, do you believe in the COVID vax?
Why is everything else round? Why is every other planet round, but Earth isn't?
So let me get this straight.
No, hear me out.
If I give you a flat table, the light is round, so the table has to be round. Like, are you fucking retarded? Also,
so you don't believe Earth is anything like Mars? You don't believe Earth is anything like the sun or the moon or anything?
Just search up Mars through a telescope, and it's a luminary, bro.
You can look up for Mars right now. You and me can go outside and look at Mars through a telescope.
Yeah,
both of us can.
And it's just
why is it round?
It's a luminary.
Wouldn't it be
just
flat?
A light in the fucking sky that blinks.
But wait, real talk though. You and me, right? Like, you would have to prove that Mars is like a bullshit fucking theory, though. Like, whoever the fuck is running shit is like lying to us, right?
No, Mars would be a light in the sky like the stars.
Why am I an idiot? Hold on a second. So I'm an idiot because
you believe in that too?
wait. Why are you bringing up that? Nothing to do with the fucking.
Well, you said dinosaurs, so now I know you love.
You don't believe in dinosaurs?
When was the
what
first
were dinosaurs?
When was the first dinosaur bone found?
I'm assuming more than like 500 million years ago. That's my rough guess. What do you think?
500 million years ago, humans weren't even on Earth. What the fuck are you talking about?
Well, obviously, humans and dinosaurs didn't live together. You proved
no. When was the first dinosaur bone?
Obviously, they're underneath the ground.
When was the first? What do you think when was answer? No.
Hold on a second. Wait. I can prove you wrong.
Wait. When was the first dinosaur bone found by humans?
When was the first bone found? I don't know. You tell me.
It was as late as the 1700s by only straight white men in the West. It was never in China.
So wait, if they're white, it doesn't count.
No.
As in
they're not anywhere. As in they
fucking what?
As in they were not found anywhere. It's a Western thing. It fits with Darwinism.
You don't believe in any Western science. Allah is the true God, and only it has to. What are you saying? What's your point?
No. I said the Bible.
You're Christian?
The first page talks about
the
firmament.
Pope fucking white? What are you talking about?
Did
you just shit on white people?
No, I didn't shit on them. I said they were the first ones to
Wait, you're
start
Catholic.
Deception.
Are you Catholic?
Sure.
Okay. Why are there Catholics who believe in astronomy?
Yeah. Are they Catholics or are they Jesuits? Just Google them. They're Jesuits.
You're not a Jesuit.
Of course not. I don't take an oath to anything but Christ. What the fuck? And now, hold on.
You believe in the Pope?
Hold on. You said
you're a Catholic. You have to believe in the Pope.
No, I don't
have
to.
You're Catholic.
Yeah, maybe if it was the 1700s, I don't have to believe in this Pope.
That doesn't make any. Bro, you can't pick and choose this shit.
Yes, you can, because the popes of the 1700s would cut a Freemason's head off. That's a true Catholic, right? Catholics don't take Jesuit oaths. You don't even know what a Jesuit oath is. But hold on.
Are you a Jesuit? You just said you weren't. Why do you know about this shit?
Because I'm CIA. How far is the
moon?
You're
the fucking CIA.
How far is the moon from the Earth?
This would be the most retarded.
Do you know how far
CIA
the moon? How far is the moon from?
No, you tell me.
How do you not know that?
You're the flat earther. You gotta know this shit.
Okay, so
you gotta know this shit.
The moon
not
is
me.
240,000
I'm not a fucking scientist.
The moon is.
You gotta prove me wrong to your chat or whatever the fuck else you're doing, right?
My dude, you can't even pull up one fucking Google search of planets from space.
I'm sure I could Google search how far the fucking moon is from the.
Find us one photo of a planet.
Why is it round? Tell me why it's round and not a snow globe.
Wouldn't
it make more sense if it was its own fucking thing like Earth is? Why is Earth the only thing that's a snow globe in the flat Earth model?
There are no planets, you idiot. The lights would be the blanket of stars fixated
then why were you
on
talking
the
about
firmament.
Stars earlier when I brought up the sun? You flipped.
What do you want me to call them?
What do you mean? If they're not stars,
hold on. The stars would be fixated on the dome firmament. And you know who Werner von Braun is?
Uh-huh.
The creator.
So why does an eclipse happen in your model? Explain the eclipse in your model. Explain the eclipse.
Hold on. The creator of your rocket, right?
You don't believe in rockets?
No, I do. The creator of the rocket is Werner von Braun. And
German, Nazi, American.
paperclip. Yeah, and his tombstone is Psalms 19:1.
What does that mean? 19:1. What does that mean?
It's the guy who invented the rocket could not pierce the dome. Operation Fishbowl. Dominic is of the Lord in Latin. He couldn't pierce it.
So you're telling me one guy couldn't figure out how to put a rocket in space? That means it's bullshit. What about now? Like, did some fucking terrorist group in Yemen just fucking pierce the fucking sky? Israel's having fucking wars in fucking space right now.
Really?
You don't believe that? I guess you don't believe in space, right? Because you have to believe in not. Why wouldn't that be considered space? Even in your snow globe, right?
Because it always turns CGI when you're leaving low Earth orbit, and you guys got caught with green key chroma.
Who's us? I'm part of this now.
Aren't you wearing NASA shirt?
Yeah, but it's a joke. Like, I bought this shit on Temu for $6. Who gives a fuck?
It is a joke. NASA's a joke.
Why? Why is it a joke? Well, why is NASA a joke? You tell me. You know better than me, right?
They're the same people who gave you the cold.
NASA. Wait a second.
That's why your face.
Wait. Explain that part. You brought that up. Explain it.
Right.
You bring up points and don't explain them.
I'm saying it's all fake science.
You don't believe in any science, biology, physics, nothing?
I believe.
Do you believe in gravity? Wait, you don't believe in gravity, right?
Is gravity a proven scientific method?
It isn't. It's just a theory, right?
It's just a math model, right?
But but you can't believe in it because we live in a snow globe, right?
Well, hold on. Is boiling point of water a theory?
It is.
No, it's not.
What do you mean?
Boiling point is a theory
at one point until we could prove it, right?
No.
That's what theories are.
Gravity.
Hold on a second.
How did they explain how things rise?
Hold on a second.
How did they explain before gravity how things rise and fall?
Please show me your vape. What the fuck are you getting at, bro? This is the dumbest shit. I'm sorry.
You're not answering anything though.
What do you mean? What did I answer?
Explain how they before gravity. Why did this fall? Why does this fall to the ground? Before gravity, how did they explain that? Go.
Before gravity. You want me to tell you before Isaac Newton existed what they said in the fucking, but that's what you believe.
No, I'm asking you before gravity, explain how this rises and falls.
They didn't know.
Yes, they did, you fucking idiot.
Hold on a second.
You can use the scientific.
Isaac Newton
you can use the scientific
method.
You
don't believe in Isaac Newton.
Look at the vape.
Explain it to me.
You
have to prove it.
It's very simple.
Did you just say
you learned this in grade 4? This vape. The reason why this vape falls is because it's denser than the medium surrounding it, which is air. Okay, now, if it was a helium balloon, it would rise because it's lighter than the medium, more buoyant. You don't need gravity to explain why things rise and fall. You fuck. How do you not know this?
Hold on a second.
How do you not know this stuff?
When you inhale helium, why don't you fucking fly?
Because you're denser than the medium surrounding you. Fuck.
Wait, but explain hot air balloons then.
It's a fucking rubber bag, bro. It's not a fucking
but you're heavier
body.
than the rubber bag that it's fucking in, right?
What?
Hold on a second. You don't believe in gravity. Real talk. Real talk.
Neither do you.
But no. Yes, I do, though. Hold on a sec. Why? Hear me out. Even in your flat Earth model, why do you have to disbelieve gravity?
Is helium?
Is there just you have? Okay,
wait,
hear me out.
Is helium a magical element that it's the only thing that beats gravity?
No, it's like any other element. It's what element is helium?
You don't
tell
need.
Me.
You don't
tell
need
me
helium.
Hold on a sec. You looked this shit up, right? What is helium?
Hold on.
Okay.
You
also have a stash.
You don't need gravity to explain why things rise and fall. That's the point I'm making.
Because
you think it's your religion. That's why you're defending it.
My religion? Your whole religion is the reason you come up with this model.
No, I had this as a 2-year atheist. Hold on, do you believe in aliens?
Wait. So as an atheist, you believe in the flat Earth model. Why? What was the main breaking point? That's what I'm asking you.
Because of curvature calculations.
Because of curvature calculations.
Yeah, there's a lot.
You don't believe it. So what about the photos from fucking in 1969 from the moon?
Oh, you believe in the moon?
You can see curvature from there, right?
Wait, you believe Richard Nixon spoke to astronauts on a landline-based telephone 240,000?
Even if he didn't. Hold on a sec.
You're hoping. Wait.
Real talk. Even if Nixon didn't have a fucking satellite phone in 1969, and even if that was bullshit, wouldn't it be harder to prove people jumping up and down on the fucking moon with that altitude before there was CGI? Because your proof is that there was CGI, right? It wasn't
CGI. It was harnesses.
It was harnesses. How would they get rid of the harnesses without CGI?
The same way they did Kubrick's films like Space Odyssey in the fucking 60s, you fuck.
Oh my
You're
God.
An idiot? It's a Hollywood. It's Hollywood set, bro. You're so stupid.
No, you're fucking
I know.
crazy.
I have no argument. No.
No, you've looked into this more than I have. 100%. You've looked into this more than I have.
How do you?
But that's your best excuse? That's your best excuse?
Dude,
CGI before it existed? That's your best excuse?
Here, look. I'm Googling planets from space. Planets from Space. I'm gonna make you look really dumb.
I already gave up that point and said.
Yeah, why did you give up?
I don't care if it's a CG.
Why did you give up your religion?
Why did I give up my religion?
You don't even believe.
No. Hear me out. You've never looked in a telescope and looked at Mars? That's a planet.
I have.
Go see it right now.
Yeah, it's illuminating.
Then why is it a lie?
It's not a lie.
Why does it look like the CGI photo? Even if it is a CGI photo.
I post these on
So
my
you believe
Twitter.
in an Antarctic fucking space wall and a fucking snow globe, but I'm the idiot? Are you sure about this? This is what you're going with?
Wait, that Antarctic wall is talked about by Admiral Byrd, the first person to explore southward Antarctica. The first
when Antarctica go all across the world, we've had planes like fly to other fucking places all the fucking time. We've had other fucking people who can explore now.
And
Antarctica
planes fly. What autopilot do planes use an azimuthal equidistant flat Earth geocentric
interesting.
map? Planes use our maps. They don't use your maps.
Hold on a second.
And they use the map with the ice wall too, the one you made fun of.
They use an ice wall map? Why would an ice wall have anything to do with... If you use a flat Earth, I can understand that, but an ice wall makes no fucking sense.
You're so dumb. Why?
Hold on a second.
You're so dumb. Oh my god.
Hold on a sec. Do you have money?
Yeah, I'm rich. Well, no.
You're rich as fuck. Oh no, you're not rich, or you are?
Well, why don't you fly to Antarctica?
Yeah, I mean it's not that hard, right? Or fucking swim there.
It's not that hard.
Even it's not that fucking
They've
difficult,
done it.
Right?
They already done it.
Who's they?
The flat earthers recorded it, and they
got flat earthers. Yes. Why do you believe them and not the non-flat earthers?
They got stopped by military ships and posted it all on YouTube.
Military? Who controls Antarctica?
Are you stupid? There's an Antarctic treaty. Right now. There's an Antarctic treaty signed by 57 nations. You.
That makes me a.
You don't even Google it. You don't even know what you're talking about.
Because I don't fucking agree with your flat Earth theory.
Well, are you bisexual?
No, are you?
No, I'm a Christian.
You can be Christian and be bisexual.
So wait, you didn't?
Fucking 2023.
You didn't know there's an Antarctic treaty?
I believe there's an Antarctic treaty. What does that have to do?
No,
with
you just learned that now. You just learned that right now.
Well, no, I did. Hold on a sec. Nazis were talking about like fucking bringing fucking people to the fucking Antarctica way back in the fucking day to fucking hide from the Allies from getting fucking murdered. That's what you're talking about, right? No? Am I wrong?
No.
Is it when did it come up? What year?
I think it's 57.
57.
Well, I know what you're saying with Operation Paperclip, right?
No, Operation Paperclip was to take more Nazi scientists than the Soviets, right? That was what Operation Paperclip was. Because they created rockets before any other country, right?
Wait, didn't you see the curve on an airplane?
I've never seen a curve on an airplane. That's not high enough, right?
Oh, okay. I thought you.
Is it not high enough?
I thought you were one of those guys.
No. What do you mean? Like that's not high enough to see the curve of the Earth. Even like satellites that are close can't see the curve of the Earth.
You believe in satellites?
You don't. Why? Hold on a second. Even in your theory, you should believe in satellites.
No. Why don't?
How does your phone work? How are we communicating without a satellite? We're real talk. What country are you from?
I'm in Canada.
You're in Canada. What's this accent?
Albanian.
Okay, but like you can talk to Albanians on here, right?
Mm.
Without satellites, how would that be possible?
97% of all Earth Wi-Fi is done through triangulation grid
tower. Earth Wi-Fi?
Hold on.
That's an interesting take. Explain Earth Wi-Fi. Keep going.
Yeah, it's done through grid. That's why you lose connection in the mountains, you idiot. And
that's why you lose connection, or is it because there's less people living in the mountains?
And sea cables.
There would be no point of having connection up there.
It's 97% of all.
Why do you lose connection in populated areas when a lot of people use it?
You don't. You get.
Yes, you fucking do.
You don't. What the fuck are you talking?
You ever gone to a fucking sports game? If you fucking can, or go to a major hockey game, try to use your phone. It's gonna go slower.
Okay, but you lose complete connection in the mountains. Why? If there's satellites.
Because no one lives in the fucking mountains.
So you're saying there's no satellite above that?
You're in the fucking Rocky Mountains. No one lives there.
So you're
has nothing to do with
exactly
Wi-Fi. What does Wi-Fi have to do with fucking 5G?
You're making my point for me. No one lives. Your point? Your point is that there's a satellite over the mountain.
Wait, why would they put a satellite over the mountain if no one lives there?
They orbit. They orbit you. You're so stupid.
Hold on a sec. So you've never heard of satellite wars? Hold on a sec. Have you never heard of satellite wars? You never heard of America taking down fucking enemy satellites? Yeah. Satellites don't exist. You don't believe in Sputnik? The first fucking satellite? None of that shit makes any sense?
Yeah, all your pictures on Google of satellites are CGI. They're all
Pictures of
they're literally
satellites.
all fake photos.
Hold on a sec.
That's why Google Earth turns into fucking fake when you leave low Earth orbit. And,
at first I thought you were interested. At first I thought you were interested.
You're not defending.
You're good.
You're not defending
you're good
NASA,
at arguments. But the second someone questions you, you fucking pivot.
I answered everything. What?
No, you didn't though. You pivot. You
to
pivot
what?
to random bullshit. My questions were not about fucking your. Hold on a second. Did I bring up 4G or 5G in the fucking mountains, or did you bring that up?
I brought it up.
Okay, you brought that up. Okay. So if we go back through this conversation, anyone in your fucking chat or whatever the fuck you do on here, right? They can realize you randomly bring up points. I'm asking you questions.
You said, how do I talk to Albanians? You said, how do I stay in connection?
Yeah, how do you talk? Okay, real talk. Why we're hypothetically speaking, how are you able to talk to fucking Albanians 80 years ago?
All connectivity is done through triangulation and underground sea cables, even in the ocean. Just Google underground.
Interesting.
Search up.
You have an answer. Okay, that's interesting.
And
why underground? Why underground? What makes it better underground?
I meant underwater, under ocean water. Just search up underground.
Under ocean water. Wouldn't that be way deeper? Wouldn't that be way easier to make a satellite? Like real talk. Like it would be easier to make a satellite than go fucking underwater for that shit.
Right. But satellites are weather balloons. They don't leave low Earth orbit. You think they're $100 million?
You just said they didn't exist. Now they exist?
Well, they're not $100 million space stations. They're like pieces of junk. Like it's a.
They might be pieces of junk, but
it's a tax scam. Like you're getting scammed.
By who?
NASA, a military wing.
But NASA's like underfunded as fuck. They're about to fucking fold.
They get $52 million a day, you idiot.
$52 million? That's fucking nothing in the fucking grand scheme of things.
For CGI photos of Mars, you idiot.
CGI photos? So you don't believe in the Mars rover?
Bro,
why couldn't... Okay,
they don't
even
deserve
in your model,
even in
your model where like we live in a fucking snow globe, wouldn't putting a rover on Mars be fucking interesting? Even in your model,
yes, but Mars is not terrestrial. You can't put your foot on it. It's a fucking wandering star. Like, for example, do you know who the Roman god Jupiter is? The lightning god?
I believe there was, yeah.
But in Roman times, there was a lightning god named Jupiter, and he was king of the storm. Now now they tell you there's a raging storm on Jupiter. They're giving you their pagan gods to worship as gas giants instead of gods. It's the same story.
That's pretty common. I mean, that's pretty common in a lot of fucking things, right? What? Like, you're telling me, like, oh my god, there's the Minnesota Vikings? Like, the Vikings? Like, those are the people who rape and pillage people. Wow, like, fucking deep. No, it's not fucking deep, dude.
Bro, you believe in the moon landing. You're far gone.
Wait, so you're telling me because I believe in the moon landing, I'm gone?
Nobody believes in the moon landing.
No one.
Who does? Like, one in the chat if you think it's fake.
I'm sure your chat agrees with you. I believe your chat agrees with you. You don't believe any... Okay,
all right,
so why did India go to the moon like 5 years ago?
How about this?
Why did India go to the moon 5 years ago? They also faked it?
Yes, it's the most fake shit.
Why would they fake it? Why would India fake it?
Here, let's just search up India on
the moon. Yeah.
This is like comical, dude.
What's comical about it? They also faked it? Like, I agree you're going to say they faked it. If you don't believe America went to the moon, why would India go to the moon, right? But why couldn't you? Even in your model, tell me why it's impossible to go to the moon. Even in your fucking snow globe.
Because it's a light in the sky. It's not a rock. Remember,
it's a light in the sky? You believe the moon is the light in the sky?
No, before NASA in the 1950s, the scientific consensus was that the moon is cosmic plasma. No one can.
But you can look at the moon. You can see it's not fucking plasma. Even with a shitty kindergarten telescope.
You can see stars through it. Sometimes it's translucent. Yeah. The moon is translucent. You can see blue sky run through it. You idiot.
Are you sure about that?
You've never seen a blue sky running through half the moon? During the day? A day moon?
Hold on a sec, bro. I feel like you're like that idiot in like the fucking 1800s who like saw his own like eyelid through a fucking telescope. Now you're convinced the fucking Earth is flat.
Andrew Tate.
Why are you convinced? Wait, hold on a second.
Andrew Tate and Tristan Tate are flat earthers. Nick is a flat earther. Big brains.
Wow,
on the internet.
You've named 2 human traffickers and a Nazi. Thank God you've got them on your side.
Which one's a Nazi?
Oh, is he not a?
Oh my God!
Wait, hold on a second. The guy that went to Charlottesville. The guy went to Charlottesville. to replace us. That guy's not an.
Do the Jews own banking?
Even if they do, they're going to replace you. They already did own banking. They created banking.
Oh, so you are not. You believe the same thing as Nick?
Hold on a sec. Hold on a sec. You're telling me I'm a non-created credit?
Well, you're saying that there are masters, debt masters.
Why is that a master?
Because
that's like being like Filipinos are masters. They're all of our nurses.
Is banking a good or a bad thing?
It's a good thing.
To put
you don't think? Hold on a sec. How would you? Do you have a house? Do you own your house?
Mm-hmm.
You own your house. How'd you get your house?
Yeah, but there's plenty of people starving.
You wouldn't have been able to save enough money to own that house without credit, right?
They're charging me interest though.
Yeah, no shit. That's the whole fucking point.
You don't think that's evil?
Then why'd you? But owning a house is better than renting, no?
You know, there's been times. There's been times in history where you can get
any of these questions.
You know, there's been times in history where you can get a loan without interest, right?
Can I be honest with you? I feel like you started with flat Earth, and like you believe every conspiracy theory, and because you have.
I don't believe in aliens. You believe in aliens. I don't believe in aliens.
Aliens? Do you believe in lizard shapeshifters?
No.
Underneath the IA? Why not?
Where's the scientific proof?
There's no scientific proof of a flat Earth, but you still you don't even believe in science. You told me all scientists are bullshit, right?
Einstein said the Earth is an observable, motionless plane. Morley had 6 scientific experiments to prove the Earth's in motion. They all failed. Like, science is on our side. You're an idiot.
Science is on your side, but you don't believe in physics. You told me earlier you don't believe in gravity, so you don't believe in physics. You're asking.
Gravity is a math model. All right,
Einstein
the scientific
wasn't a scientist. He was a physicist. You don't believe in physics. You can't believe in physics with your logic.
I believe in physics, not quantum physics.
Why?
Because I don't believe in your speed of light.
Why is it mine? As if I'm the one who created it. You keep doing this shit, like as if I'm the fucking overlord.
Oh, you're defending your heliocentric position. You have to.
Yeah, because I know it's right. Because I know you're wrong.
How do you not believe in the speed of light? But
you looked up a lot of fucking YouTube videos and Wikipedia.
So how do you believe? You don't believe in the speed of light, but you believe the sun's 93 million miles away? Are you?
Hold on a sec. Wait. Why'd you bring that up? Did I bring up the speed of light?
You just said, I don't believe in the Einstein speed of light.
I did not say that. What the fuck? Ask your chat. Are you live right now? Did I bring up the speed of light? You're putting words in my mouth.
That's what we're critiquing, bro.
The speed of light? What does the speed of light have to do with the flat Earth model?
I'm saying that's what we're critiquing is quantum
physics. What are
physics.
your fucking Nazi fucking views? What does that have to do with one another?
Okay, dude.
No, you're defending Nick. You didn't have to.
Because he's a hero.
You didn't have to.
He's a hero. Nick is a hero.
To who? To who?
To millions of people.
If he's a Nazi, he'd be a fucking hero, right?
How's he a National Socialist from 1939, you fucking idiot?
So you're telling me you can't be a... Oh, interesting point.
Yeah.
I mean, I guess that makes sense, right?
No, you can be a modern Nazi, but you think a Nazi would be a Christian nationalist?
Did you say you were? You said you were Albanian?
Yes.
Interesting. So, like, what do you think of Serbs?
I don't like them.
Why? What did they try to do?
Ethnic cleansing.
Weird, right?
Of the Boston
Why are you not a fan of them? They tried to ethnic cleanse you out of fucking Yugoslavia, right?
Because we didn't own banking.
You think if you would have owned banking, what would have changed?
What
would have changed? Real talk.
If we owned the synagogue of Satan in banking, I think then I'd say my people are kind of evil.
Do you believe?
Of course, 6 million on the dot.
You doesn't have to be on the dot, but I'm just like curious.
Oh, really?
But it's weird that you come from a place of genocide, right?
Yeah, I'm a refugee.
Do you think Kosovo should exist?
Yeah, I'm a refugee
from
Kosovo.
What?
I'm a refugee. Okay. I'm a refugee from war.
It's weird that you don't say you're from Kosovo. Then, why do you say you're Albanian and not from?
Well,
Kosovo?
I wouldn't say Kosovo's the ruling class. Wouldn't you say the ruling class
of Yugoslavia?
No, of Earth, like Epstein.
Of Earth? That's fucking wild. That's
just admit they own banking. How's that wild?
So you're telling me if a majority? Hold on a sec.
Wait, how do you believe in both?
Stop. Wouldn't Chinese people own more of the Earth than fucking?
How?
Are you fucking kidding me? What do you
Rome
mean?
And is losing to China? God.
America's losing to fucking China. They're not losing.
Okay.
I don't think you understand foreign politics whatsoever.
Yeah. You're those people who think it's about a number sign, not technology.
Are you pro-China?
U.S. could.
Are you a tanky?
No, I'm not a tanky, but I definitely like them more than transgender regime we have here.
Who the fuck is a transgender regime?
Well,
the transgenders run the world now?
No.
Transgenders run the
Joe
world.
Biden's regime is gay. That's why people like you exist in America. You're not a patriot, right? No. Just when I was gonna get.
Yo, hello.
We gotta find that guy. He was content.